black, that means a dark mode. So normally you will get it in green, okay, in a green color display. Okay, so first of all, students, don't draw on my screen. Okay, right. Okay, so basically you will have a lot of templates, but right now I have only have one blank workbook. So likewise you will get a lot of templates. You can see business, there are suggestions also. Business templates like invoice template, or inventory template, weekly time records for HR management. Likewise, expensive report, expense report. Likewise, you will get a lot of reportings. Likewise, then industries. Sorry, wait. Then personal. If you go to the personal section, you will have a lot of budgetings. Likewise, okay. Uh, So you can see monthly budget, then photo calendar, loan calculator, personal expense calculator. Likewise, you can calculate your own what do you call, the expenses, the budgets. You can calculate your budget, or you can make some future budgets. How much you will spend, how much you can save. Likewise, or credit card tracker. You can save your expenses in your what uh, Excel, and you can see whatever whenever you want. Then family tree. So you can see here a family tree. So family tree also you can draw who your grandfather, your
Ambe.
okay. So likewise you have a lot of things like wedding budgets also there. Okay. So these are the personal stuff. Then planner and tracker. So planner and tracker means it's mostly used for what? For the projects. So you will, if you take a project, means like you're gonna a business plan. Let's go with the business plan. So if you go with the business plan means, so this is a gun chart. So the second one in here. So if you go, if you're gonna do a business plan means, then you will think you need a plan, right? So initially you have to invest something, or initially you have to plan what you're gonna do. Then you have to raise your funds. So to raise funds, what you're gonna do. Likewise, you will have a lot of plans, and you will have a time period for each task. Okay, so planning, uh, raising funds, these are tasks. So for each task you need times. Likewise, you can allocate your times, and you can give due dates for that. So likewise you can do a lot of stuffs in Excel. Okay, I'm telling this because there are advanced students, that means grade 10 and grade 7 also there. This is between 7 and 10. So I'm telling advanced and basic both. Okay, so don't get confused, students. If you have any doubts, you can unmute and ask me, or you can tell ask me in chat also. All right, students, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Charts and calendars. So we already saw some charts and calendars. Now we go to the blank document. Okay. So in blank document, you can see there is a lot of cells. So I'll zoom in. Okay. Okay. So everyone can see the screen, right? The Excel sheet clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So initially we study about how to calculate. That means addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. The four basic function of mathematics. All right. So let's go with the basic 10, 40. So if you're gonna add in mathematics. So first of all, what will you do? You will put the number, then plus sign, then 40. Likewise, right? That is the normal method of doing the calculation, and then only equal sign. But here you will put the equal sign in front of the equation. That is only the difference. And instead of numbers, you can put numbers. That is fine. That is totally fine. Here, if you put numbers, the answer will come. But if you change this number, it won't change here. Okay, I'll show you an example. Then equal. All right. So the both answers are same, right? But if you change here, the answer also change rapidly or simultaneously, because you have linked the cell address, not the value. Here you have given a value, that means a dynamic value. Sorry, not the dynamic value. I mean a value that cannot be changed. But here you have given a variable. In mathematics, if you go with the mathematical wordings, here you have given a variable. The variable is the cell address. B1 is the cell address. So if you change the 10 into 5, so you will change, it is simultaneously changing the answer also. Okay, so instead of giving a, a constant number, you can give a variable, that the cell address. So cell address is the combination of column name and the row number. So B is the column name or the column letter, then 3 is the column number. Okay, so likewise for the 5, B and 1. So B1, then B2. All right, students, clear? Are you clear with the addition part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, good. Likewise, you can do for the subtraction also. It's just a matter of changing the sign. You already put plus, now you have to put minus. Here also, sorry. So you can see, if you mind 10 subtracted by 40 means how much? Minus 30. Likewise here, you can change it. Minus B2. So minus 45. All right. So we don't need this. You can go with this. Okay. So, right. So 10, 50. Right. So it's just a matter of changing the symbol. Then we'll see about the division, how to divide two numbers. So let's go like this. 25 divided by 5, the simple sum, equal 5. Divide. In divide, if you want to divide a number means, you have to put slash, the backslash. So we call this as backslash. So the division mark will be, the division mark is equal to backslash. So if you want to divide two numbers means, you have to use backslash. Then C2, enter. So you will get the answer. 25 divided by 5 means 5. Okay, then multiplication. So division, after that multiplication. So multiplication, let's go with number 8 into 5. All right. So mathematics, we will use what? X, right? If we use X, the simple X or the capital X, the cell address won't be defected. Sorry, the cell address won't be defined. You know why? Because the cell address is defined by a letter. That means a text form. So if you give a character in between two cell address, so it will get confused. So which is the correct one? So likewise, it will get confused. So it will take it as a string. So that's why when I put X and D2, sorry, D2, and enter means it is showing some errors, name errors. So we won't use X or the capital X. We will use asterisk or star sign, which will be on your number pad or in your number, sorry, the symbol key, the eighth, fifth, shift plus 8. Okay, then enter. Then only it will multiply. So if you want to multiply some two numbers means you have to use the asterisk mark or the star sign. All right, students. So is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right. So write these formulas. We call this as formulas. Okay.
So,
Yeah.
if we create a table and if we need to save only the table, how to save it, sir?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Come again.
If we create a border for this table and if we save it, how can we save?
You want to save the Excel file.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you want to save the Excel file means, so go to file, then save. So choose your uh, location on your OneDrive or your PC, or you can add another place like another OneDrive. Okay. So select your place and browse your location. Okay. So I'm going to save it on my desktop or okay, document. I'm going to save it on my document. Then save as type. So you can choose your type. What kind of uh, document are you going to save? Like command delimited file or text file or Excel. There are a lot of type or a PDF. So likewise, you can choose your type. Then give a name. Okay, so I'm gonna give test 01. Then save. That's it. That's how you save a file. Okay, or else you can go to the quick access. Okay, so there is a quick access section where you can find save. Okay, this is save. Then undo. Likewise, there are some other option in quick access also. All right, students, clear? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
Yes, sir.
okay? Dino, are you clear with your doubt?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So students, write this formulas for the addition, subtraction, and division, multiplication. Write the formulas. Shall I put it on a Word document?
Okay, sir.
Right.
Finish.
Finished, everyone? So first one is for addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. So it's a short form, so don't use it. So heading will be Excel. So not a subheading and all that, just heading. So you can put it as a formula as a subheading, then write this. Okay, don't. All right, students.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Finished.
Finished.
Finish, sir.
Okay, others.
Finished, sir.
Finished, sir.
All right, so let's move to the next topic. Okay, so I'll erase it. Okay, so division, multiplication, subtraction. Okay, so now you know how to divide, add only two numbers, right? So if you want to add several numbers, means like about 8 numbers, then what will you do? Like I have 1, 2, 3. So likewise, you have 8 numbers. So now you have to add the all the full 8 numbers from 1 to 123 to 495. You have to add the whole 8 numbers. So what will you do? So what we did in earlier class, a1 plus a2 plus a3, likewise, no, that's how we did. But you don't have to do like that. In here you can put equal. Okay, equal, press here, then drag it, or you can put a colon mark, then press here. So the whole 8 numbers will be selected, then press enter. Wait, sorry, you should put some here, then only it will work. Okay, so for this you have to put some. Okay, so usually for average, likewise, you have to put some names, like sum, add, subtraction, likewise you have to put. But in normal calculation like we did before, you don't have to put, just have to you have to go with the asterisk mark, minus sign and all. Okay, so if you want to add the like this a lot of number means, you can go with this. All right, students, write this with the addition. Okay, wait. Okay, students, write this one, the highlighted one. Okay,
Okay, sir. Finished.
finished, everyone.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Finished.
Everyone finished, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, great. Okay. So most of you all know what is percentage, right? How to calculate percentage and all that. Do you know or you don't know? Students, speak. Do you know calculation of how to calculate percentage? Do you know?
No, sir.
No,
Don't know, sir. Don't know, sir.
don't know. What about the grade 10? Amshi, Sharena,
No,
grade
sir.
no. What?
We know it, sir.
You know, okay. So grade 9s, what about the angel? Then grade 9 or the grade 9. Angel, do you know how to calculate the percentage?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So grade 9 and 10 knows. So I'll tell how to calculate. So let's delete this. Okay. Okay. So okay. So if someone gave you 100 rupees means, so okay, think like I gave someone to 100 rupees. So I'm asking from you, I need 10% from what I gave. That means I need 10% from that 100 rupees. So if you want to find the 10%, so what will you do? 100 is the 100%. That means the whole thing. So from that whole thing, you need 10%. Okay. So you have to divide that. Sorry, divide division. Okay, division. So 100 divided by 100. So you get the 1%. Then you have to multiply it. Okay. Okay. Multiply it by 10. So in mathematics, you will cut this, cut. So you will get how much? 10. So the 10% of 100 rupees is what? 10%. Okay. So we're gonna calculate this in Excel in an easy way. Alright, students. So the percentage amount, then percentage, then the okay. The third one is value of the percentage. Okay. So amount, let's say like 150. Then percentages I need 6%. Alright. So what we did in Word, that is what is the equation. So we have to first we have to do what? We have to divide this amount by what? 100. So 100 is what? Constant. So it won't change. It's a constant value. So the amount is a variable value. So it can change time to time. So we put the amount cell as the variable, then 100 as constant, then close bracket into, for multiplication, what is the sign? Asterisk. Then 6, the percentage. Okay. So if we calculate how much, the 6% is 9. Okay, students. Does anyone
I
understand?
can't understand.
Okay, so let's come to this. Okay, you can see the screen, right? Equal 10%. Okay, students. So everyone can see the screen, right? The word screen.
Yes, sir.
All right. So in order to calculate any kind of percentage, this is the formula. All right. So I'll put this as the variable, so you understand. A, here the percentage. So here you will get a percentage value. All right, students. This is the formula. This is the universal formula for finding a percentage. All right. So A will be the variable. Constant means it won't change. It won't change for any matter. So 100 will be the same. So 100, you have to divide this A by 100. Then you have to multiply by what is the percentage you need. If you need 10%, means you have to multiply by 10. If you need 15 means 15. If you need 1.5 means you have to multiply by 1.5. All right, students. So here you have to put the uh, percentage value. Here the real amount. The real amount you have, or the value, like, okay, there are 18 students, let's say. There are 18 students, 18, the 20 students are in class. So only 4 students have passed, means what is the percentage of pass people? If someone asks like that, so you have to put the values in here, like, so the total number of students, how much? 20. Then the percentage, how much? Uh, so you don't know the percentage. So here you have, wait, sorry. Here 20, here only 20 will come. Sorry, students. 20. Here will be 4. Here we will get the 4. Then into 100. Yes. Sorry, students. I studied long time ago. Sorry, I forgot it. Okay. So 4 divided by 20. All right. So let's change it. Okay. Just go and take it down. So amount, total amount. So here 16. Okay. Okay, students. So the 20 will be the total amount. 4 is the particle amount. That means a part 20 students is a total. The total number of students is 20. So the pass out to students, number of pass students, how much? 4. So 20 is the 100%. 4 is the unknown percentage. So you have to find it. So in order to find it, you have to calculate it. So 1010 here, 10, 2, so 5. So 5 into 4, how much? 20. So 20% of students have passed. So let's see whether we are getting the same answer. Okay. So 20 students. Okay, let's put failed also. Failed how much? We don't know. Then, okay. Value, percentage. Okay, students. Okay. So, this. So past, I'll put 15. Year, like 23. Okay. So first you have to add it. So you're gonna add these two numbers. So plus 23. Enter. Then you're gonna calculate the percentage. So how will you calculate the percentage? First you have to put the equal sign. Then you have to get the partial amount. That means the 15. Then, so wait, before 15 we have to put the bracket. Then divide by the total amount. Then bracket close into 100. So you will get the percentage. So you have to put the same equation for the other two also. So in a situation like this, what you can do is you don't have to redo the calculation again. You can see a small box over here in the corner, right? So when you get the cursor near to it, it will change into small black color plus sign. So hold on there and drag it. Wait. Okay. So now you have to change the variable only. Okay. Wait. So okay. 4 here. Sorry. P4 divided by P4. Okay. Or else you can do like this also. Plus plus. Okay. So students, you got the point, right? So here you can get the percentage. So the percentage calculation, how can you calculate the percentage? You have to divide the partial amount by the full amount, then multiply it by 100, so you will get the percentage. So here we have put the formula, then we have drag it. and we have add the percentage of the pass students and the fail students. Okay, students, clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have a doubt in this calculation or the method what I did here? Anyone? Does anyone have a doubt? If you have any doubt, ask now itself. I will clear it. Okay. I'll give you 5 minutes. Just go through it, and if you have any doubt, just ask me. Okay.
So I couldn't understand.
Which part you didn't understand, Dino? The whole thing or the calculation?
The calculation, sir.
Okay, the mathematical part, right? Okay. So, do you know? So this is the mathematical calculation. Okay, this is the mathematical formula that you're gonna do to find the percentage. So A divided by B. Okay, so A divided by B into 100. So this is the formula. This will be your formula. All right. So wait. So okay. All right. So wait. Hmm. So Dino, you can see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the equation. Like I said, this will be the universal equation for calculating a percentage. All right. So A is the mm, uh, partial amount. B will be the full amount. That means, like you are giving 1 lakh. Your investing 1 lakh means you will get 50% or 45% our income from that. Okay, so 1 lakh means you are getting 50 lakhs. Sorry, 1 lakh means you are getting 45% in return.
Okay, sir.
So, if you want to calculate the 45%, you have to put the amount here. Okay, or else if you getting 45,000, so you can put the percentage here also. You got the point. So let me clear it. Okay, wait. So 1 lakh, right? 1 lakh. So you are getting 45,000. So here equal, first of all you have to divide this number by this number. That means you have to divide the partial amount by the full amount. Okay, then
Okay,
you,
sir.
after that the dividing value will be coming, right? You have to multiply that divided value with 100. You have to multiply the divided value and 100. Okay,
Okay, sir.
wait. Okay, so you can see the percentage is how much? 45. Clear,
Download all.
students?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Do you know? Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear. The whole
Okay.
thing is right now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyone have a question? Anyone else? Praveen?
So,
Yeah.
okay, sir. Understood, sir. No doubt.
Okay. Good. So everyone clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Great. So uh, everyone wrote this, right? The calculation for the percentage. Did everyone wrote this?
No, sir.
Okay. Write this. You have to write the both, the mathematical one and this one. Okay.
So we should write that A, B into 100, all those.
Yeah. Because you need to know the mathematical calculation, then only you will know what is happening exactly. Okay.
Okay, sir. Finished.
Everyone finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, I hope everyone finished writing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, so I want to tell you this. So I saw your magazines, so which was very impressive. Most of you are killed it. That means you have done it very perfectly. Some of you have done it in a professional way also. So seriously, good work, guys. So in your exam, the marks will be added. So marks won't be. So your marks won't be. You won't know the marks, but you will get added in your exams. Okay. So I will take it as your project for some of you. Your school, your management told us to give you some projects and assignments. So we already gave you in order to that. So wait. Sorry for the interruption, students. So the marks will be added to your exams, like your assignment or a project. Okay. So most of you have done it, right? So I'm not gonna give you again. So because you already done it, you have done a lot of projects, assignment, right? That means, okay, students, you might think what is a project, right? So project means you have to the small book you will do in your school. That is what you call as.
சரி நம்ம ஒரு சண்டேயா இல்ல கூப்பிடுறாங்க போகாம இருக்கீங்க
Okay, so that is what a project means. But assignment means we will give you 3 or 4 questions. So you have to elaborate and write the answer. Like there will be 2 line of questions, but you have to write the answer for 2 pages. That what a assignment means. So the sad part is the grade 10 will get the assignments, not other grades. Okay, so that is the saddest news. Okay, but the project marks will be added to your exam for everyone, grade 10, 7, or whatever. Everyone's marks will be added to the exam. Okay, clear, students? So now let's get back to the class. Okay, so percentage is done. So now you need to know the table. Okay, so most of you think there is. Okay, so let's go to your school. Uh, yeah, yes. Only for grade 10, assignment is only for the grade 10. Sorry, that is what the management told us to give. Okay, so sorry for that, but we will be helping you in your assignments. The doubts, we will tell you how to search, how to do the assignments, and all that. We will give you a brief explanation. So it will be easy for you. Okay, student. So the grade 9 and 8 will be coming to the grade 10. So you have to learn that also. So, okay.
So I have a doubt.
Yeah.
So you said no equals sum bracket A1 to A8. After that, when we put the bracket itself, the answer will come, or we should press something to get the answer.
We have to press the enter. After putting the close bracket, we have to press the
If we just only wrote the formula, the answer will come.
no. You are after
Enter.
the formula. You have to press enter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. For the grade 8, you have already done like cyber threats, then magazine. Those are the projects. Okay. So that is the project. So you've done it very perfectly. For the one who didn't do it perfectly, you will get some reduction in your marks. Okay. So the one who,
Sir, did you check all the assignments, the magazines?
yeah, I checked some of your assignments and projects. Sorry, the projects. That means the cyber threats and others. But most of your projects was good, really good. I didn't expect that much, but it was really good. Okay, very colorful. Okay, so the one who didn't do it yet, you can do it. Okay, I still give you. If you want, I won't reduce your marks. You can do it now itself. Okay, because why I'm telling this, because this is gonna add to your exam. Okay, so the grade 10, don't worry about your projects. Okay, so even if you don't do your project, you will get your assignments. Okay, the your marks will be depend on your assignments. All right, so if anyone didn't do the assignment or the project, or as soon as you finish this class, call me and ask me, or message me and ask me. Okay, so I will tell you. Okay, all right, students. So now let's focus on the today's class. Okay, so in your school, so I'll get some names from today's class. So I will go by order. So Amshi, student's name. Okay, student's name. Student's name, bold. Amshi, then Angel, then Sh- Sherbo, Dinu, Nitra, Shan, Serena, okay. So this is our school will maintain your marks. Okay, so this is just a rough. So let's go math. Math, science, and history. What are the subjects you have? Okay, students, for the one who don't know my number, I'll put it in the wait. So this is my number. Okay, you can call. Don't call me in midnights. Okay, students. Seriously, don't call me in midnights. Call me after the class finished. So I will explain. Okay. If anyone don't know this number, just write it down. I put it this in the chat link also in our Zoom chat. Okay, I'm in the WhatsApp group also. All right. Okay, students. So let's get back to the subject. Okay. So what are the subjects you have? Math, science, history. What else? Health. No, health science. Right? Health. What else? What are the subjects?
Commerce.
Commerce.
Geography.
Okay, geography. Geo. Okay, geography. What else? Give me one more name.
Computer.
Nice, thanks. I forgot it. ICT. All right. So the marks will be random. So no one get, please, no one get hurt. So the marks will be random. 100. Not work. Sorry, random between that. Okay. Random between 50. Okay. So these are random marks. Okay. So no one get. Okay. So mostly everyone got good marks. Okay. So now I have to calculate each and every math. So everyone maxes are. Okay. So total marks for each subject. Okay. So total marks for. Okay. So bold. So this is average. Don't worry, students, it will change time to time because it's a random number. It's a random number function, so it will change time to time. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, here your total, well, total marks and just total and average. Okay, So what is the formula for calculating several numbers? Like here we have 7 subjects. What will be the calculation? Sorry, the formula. Can anyone tell me?
Equals
Equal
sum
sum
bracket
bracket
B2
B2
to H2 colon H2.
H2. Very good. Then enter. Very good. Very good, Shalami. So if I want this for each and every student's mean, what should I do? There's a method. Without typing for everyone the same formula, we can get the formula for everyone. What is the method? Can anyone tell me? Or shall I ask someone? So, Sherbo, tell me the answer. Sherbo?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the answer?
Which one? Then.
Now, I have got the total for Amshi. Okay, so now I want the total for Angel, Sherbo, Dinu, Netra, for everyone. So I don't want to type the equation, the formula for each time, but I need the total for everyone. What will be the equation? Sorry, what will be the method to do that? Tell me. Sherbo?
It's
Yeah. Don't know.
don't.
Don't know. All right. Okay. So the method is, you can see
Sir,
the,
can drag down that.
yeah, drag down. Yeah, dragging down. Okay. So this is the method for getting the total for each and every cell without typing it again and again. So you can see it will change rapid simultaneously for each. You can see, right? For B7, B7, H6, B7, H6. Likewise, it will change for each cell. Okay. So shall we do it for the other subjects also? So now we have to know the average. So average. So B2, sorry, not the B2, means on the average, right? So total divided by how much? 7. Okay. So drag it down. So you will get the average. Okay, so total marks for each subject. So equal sum, drag it down. Okay. Average. So average will be divided. Now what? what will be the dividing number? 9, because there are 9 students. Okay. Okay. So you can see, right? So this average is for what to say? Wait. Total number. Okay. This total is the total value of, wait. Okay. Okay. Okay, students. So this average is okay, students. So this average is what? For each subject, the 9 students have get the averagely got how much for each subject? Sorry, no. Sorry. For the total, student have got the total how much? 710. That is the average total a person got. Right? 7 means this. Okay, no. Sorry. This one, the one is marked with yellow is the average of what? The total. The total we got from from each subject. Okay. So this each subject have averagely how much? 710.143. That is the average total from one subject. So averagely you got a averagely 9 students have got 710. But a student, in point of view, a student, so you have got the yellow one is the a student have got averagely 552. That is the average mark a student got. Okay. All right, student. So these are the average of each subject. All right, students. So this is how you create a table, a simple table. If you are handling a school means, so this will be a simple table. So now, if you want to create like this, blah, 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 what else? So now you have to get the percentage. So like a chart means you can go for this option. Insert chart. Okay. So still I got confused. Wait. Okay. We don't need this. Okay, so now we have to insert a, so for Amshi, we let's get the chart. Let's take a pie chart. Okay, so you can see for each subject how much she took. So if you want, you can change it into percentage also. So in total value, she took highest mark for what? ICT. Okay. So likewise, you can create for everyone. So for Angel, let's take for Angel. So let's put a bar chart for her. So you can see, so Angel to what? Everyone took highest marks for IT. Okay, who got highest marks for something else? Let's see. Okay, this guy. Serena. Serena got highest marks for what? Mathematics. Wow. Okay. So not. Let's get a line chart. Okay, Serena took 100 out of 100 for mathematics. Quite unbelievable, but this is just a random marks. Okay. So Serena got 100 out of 100. Then let's take the total class. Okay, so for the total class, so, okay, so this is a total class. So wait, so the total highest score is for science. Everyone scored good marks for science. Okay, so likewise you can create charts for whatever you the data you produce. You can create chart for that. Okay, students. So this is how you create charts. If you want, you can change the background, or you can change the color. Here also in pie chart also you can change the colors. Okay. So if you are a grayish person, you can change it to gray. If you are a colorful person, you can give a lot of colors. Or you are a blue kind of person, you can give like this. So likewise for others also you can do. Okay. So if you want to change the style, the background, likewise you can change. There are a lot of types. Okay, students. So for this also, see, these are different type of charts. So if you don't need the title means you can take it off. So see, so if you create chart like this, it will be more attractive. Okay, students. So that's it for today. So today you learned charts, how to create charts, and how to input data and all that. Okay, the basics and some advanced. So most of you might know this, maybe some of you might not. Okay, so students, if you have any doubt, ask me now. So I'm gonna wind up the session. So anyone have a doubt? No? Sure? Okay, take 10 minutes time. Just go through everything and get and tell me. Amshi, Angel, Sherbo, Dinu, Netra, Serena, Shaloni, Sheila. Anyone have a doubt? Pain?
Sir, can you show again? Sir, can you again show how you took the chart?
Okay. Alright. So I delete this one. Okay. So first you have to select the required this sorry. First you have to select the required data. So you need what? The student name, then her marks. So until ICT. Then go to insert. So give a recommended chart also possible. So you will get lot of chart. So you will get a cluster column, cluster bar chart, then line chart, pie chart, petro chart. Likewise, you will get 5 different charts. Then all chart. There are different kind of charts. So these are some charts won't be available because these are some strategic business kind of things or mathematical kind of thing. So it won't available for this kind of data. All right. So let's get something like this. So if you get after you are getting this, you can change it to something like this. So this is something which is attractive, right? So you will think, ah, nice. So she got. So if you want, you can change it here. The data. So here, select data. So you can see here. So you can edit and all that. All right. So here you can add elements or you can remove elements. Okay. So likewise, there are a lot of things. See, you can add it or you can remove it. Okay. So is that clear for everyone? Or shall I show it again? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Others? Shalomi is fine. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Everyone is fine. All right. So I'll wind up the session. So students, if you have a PhD, just get used to this. That means practice this. So it will be very useful for you. All right. See you students. See you on the next class.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
God bless.
You, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
Thank you, sir. God
Thank
bless
you,
you.
sir. God bless you, sir.
God bless you, students.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
God bless you.